Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. Now let's scroll down again and find the version, and as you can see at the very top we've got the build number. So basically all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So as you can see we are in the developer, so we can go back to the general settings, and here we have to enter system settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again, and as you can see here we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And that was a misclick, of course. Let's enter the developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So that was a mistouch again. So for example, here we've got some options which are connected to USB and overall to the debugging and the networking, because here we've got the Wi-Fi and also Bluetooth options. Here we've got some drawing options, so we can show surface updates, we can change window animation scale, and so on and so on. So we've got quite a lot of options to customize. And basically all you have to do in order to turn on the option is to simply tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. If you've got the options without the switcher, for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options and if you'd like to turn them off, just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, the developer options, particular settings, will actually disappear, and after getting back to the system settings you can also see that the developer options will be removed. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.